Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Asma.
Hi, Sif. मैं हूँ सिफत और मैं दिलों का वेदर रिपोर्ट लेके आई हूँ। And it says कि यहाँ पे सिफत नाम का स्टॉर्म आने वाला है। Recently heartbroken हूँ, लेकिन प्यार से विश्वास नहीं उठा because I believe there's someone out there for me. अपने लव का गेम रीसेट करने आई हूँ एंड बॉयज यू बेटर वॉच आउट क्योंकि गेम आपका होगा लेकिन रूल्स सिर्फ मेरे चलेंगे। I can't wait to find love again and finally get engaged. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Hello, Vebo.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Sif.
What's your name?
Hi, Sif. What are you doing here?
मालूम तेरा ही इंतजार है।
I don't know if you were coming.
क्या बात? ये तो धोखे की बात कर रहा था, प्यारे की बात कर रहा था। Hi.
I would like a tour.
Yes. Come
If
with
you
me.
guys can.
Yes. किसी की बच्चों ने सब हरा दिया इधर।
जिनको भी आना है, please come.
मेरे पास लड़की नहीं है, मैं तुम्हें लेके चलूंगा। अरे तू तो जा। तुम लोग आके काम खराब करके चले आते हो।
एक सेकंड मेरी। तो चुप क्यों? सस्पेंस में मत रखो मेरे को। क्या कब था? एक्स्ट्रा कुछ था?
You had a thing.
हाँ? क्या ट्विस्ट है भाई? यार एक मिनट कंपटीशन तो भेजो प्लीज।
Competition.
कैसे कोई भी भेजे जा रहे हो?
Fight हो गया क्या?
तुझे किसने बोला अभी जाने का?
I don't know.
एक चीज बताओ, तुम्हारी
Decide
चीजें
करते
खराब हुई थी किसकी तरफ?
यार, it was very complicated.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
तुम सोचो तुम्हारी वजह से कुछ चीज हुई होगी तो यहाँ पे कोई तुम्हारा लड़का कोई जज करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है।
ये नहीं है ना, किसी को नहीं पता।
I don't know why is he here. This is not fine.
नाटक कर रही है।
I came here with a mindset and I'm just.
आपको नहीं पता था?
I would not come. मुझे पता होता था. Honestly.
आप अभी भी डेट कर रहे हो? आप अभी भी डेट कर रहे हो या ब्रेकअप हो चुका है?
अरे मैं यार।
हो गया ना, टाइम हो गया।
If we change the topic थोड़ी देर के लिए, we'll get back to this. मुझे इस बारे में भी बात नहीं
Let it be, please, please.
प्लीज। ठीक है। नहीं पता कहाँ है।
गायब हो गया वो गई। मेरे को क्या हुआ? मेरे को कुछ नहीं हुआ। उसने
की गल है।
क्या कुछ सीरियस था क्या तुम्हारा? हाँ।
पता था देखो।
क्या?
पता इसे कहाँ पता था? इसे बिल्कुल अनएक्सपेक्टेड था।
Oh, it's been a while, bro. We're not in touch. We just had a thing. That was for a brief period. It's just that I'll be fine in some time. It's a little shocking, and I'm also like a little mood fucked right now. It kind of affect.
दिखाओ
me a
सही।
little. It's affecting me a bit more than it is.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing over here in this room?
मैं भी पूछ सकती हूँ ना ये तुमसे? I thought
No,
you
but
liked
still.
the single life. तुम्हें मजा आ रहा था.
That is a different story, यार. What are you doing here?
What do you mean? तुम भी तो यहाँ हो.
If you were here in India, you would have just told me. Come on. My point is, if you weren't going to LA.
मैं LA क्यों नहीं गई? वो reasons बहुत different हैं. मुझे सुनने में आया you were going around, you were meeting girls. You think I would want to come back to that? It made me feel like you wanted us to like break up. ये मेरे लिए कितनी अजीब बात है. Seeing you here after so fucking long, I don't even know what to do, how
I
to
didn't
be
even
here.
know if you were in India, we weren't connected for a while.
मैं क्यों तुम्हें बताऊंगी? और तुम क्यों आए हो इस शो पे? You were to having fun, no?
Not done, yaar. Not done. If you weren't going to LA, you should have told me there and there, yaar.
You know what?
You could have just told me.
नहीं, I
You could have
can't-
just told me that
I
I'm
can't
not going to
converse with you
LA.
because I'm so upset with you. मुझे तुम्हें देख के यहाँ पे बात करने आने की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. I came ऊपर क्योंकि I just felt a knot in my stomach कि यार he's in the house, like what the fuck, and I don't need to do this.
Okay, I
you
don't-
have chosen to
Yeah.
live your single life. Please go enjoy.
And I know,
Apparently you're connected with Coco.
and I know for all the reasons. You also deserve to have that single life. And sure, I trust you that you are saying that you haven't been going around.
Trust you? Trust
You haven't been going around. I know, but now it's
At some point in my life, I will need to get out of my zone, no?
but like this.
What do you mean by like this?
Like if you, I'm just saying, if you were in India, you should have just called me. That's all.
And said what? Ki Karan, now that you've gone around with more girls, अब हम लोग वापस कनेक्ट कर लेते
I
हैं.
think you should go. I need some time, please.
You know what?
Just a small request. The tall guy, long hair, the tall guy that was sitting alone in, I hate him.
Who, Fardeen?
Yes.
Then you will see me pairing up with him only.
What's your mindset over here? मतलब what do you think?
Yeah, this is kind of like मैं बहुत अलग mindset से आई थी और काफी कुछ मतलब unexpected चीजें हो गई and now I'm just थोड़ा overwhelming हो गई है situation, but it's okay. I think it's been a while, time हो गया है कि we haven't spoken. हम पहली बार एक दूसरे से मिल रहे हैं after like we ended things, so it's just I think, but it's okay. It's been 6-7 months.
Abhi,
Yeah,
let's not
मतलब
talk
it's
about
fine.
this. Let's not talk
I want to go without it.
Imagine कि करण है ही नहीं अभी क्या आपका mindset क्या था मैं वाला नहीं
Okay. मेरा mindset है कि I'm a very fun girl. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. Like I don't take life too seriously. मुझे लेकिन कोई mature इंसान पसंद है जो पूरा समझे भी मुझे. मुझे बताओ कि who are the good guys here?
I had words with everyone and they are all nice guys for me
Yeah.
except Karan. For me I don't know why because he has a beef with me and I had no reason.
See, he is a nice guy. Apart from everything जो हमारा था, he is मतलब वो बहुत ही respectful relationship थी हमारी. He is a nice guy.
2 years it's like a very long time.
Yeah.
मैं तो imagine भी नहीं कर सकता.
क्यों? ऐसी इतनी लंबी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड
नहीं यार इतनी लंबी.
नहीं.
So I was happy just because I know कि there are someone to I can talk and open
Yeah.
my heart to because I don't want to be with anybody else because everyone have a connection right now.
Interesting.
What do you think about it?
I'll tell you, I need to have conversations with everyone.
Yes.